Hey y'all, hey, today's video is a power hour clean with me of the top 5 things that I am going to try to tackle on my to-do list, and it is the cleaning motivation that you need to get on up and get some things done in your own home. So if you are interested in seeing if I can get my top 5 done in an hour, then keep on watching.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
The first room that I'm going to be cleaning is the guest bedroom slash nursery, and as you can see, it's very messy. There's just clothes that need to get folded and put away, and I'm just starting my stopwatch or the timer or whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to be folding up the clothes. And Logan is in the bedroom with me. She's on the floor. You can't see her right now, but you will eventually, because she is just not gonna let me be great. So I'm gonna pick her up and continue to fold the clothes with her on my hip. And if you are new here, my name is Denise, and I do have 2 kids. Sugarfoot is actually home and he's off today, but I had it in my planner to do a power hour video, and I was supposed to film it the day before I'm filming this, and I just was not feeling well and I just couldn't do it. So I told myself I'm going to give myself this hour to get the house a little bit tidy and not take away from family time. So that's what I'm doing today. Logan is super active right now. She's all over the place, and we're trying to keep up with her and make sure I'm paying enough attention to Lucas. It has been really difficult, and so that's when I just came up with the whole, I'm just gonna do 5 things a day. Even if I can't get 5 things done daily, I try to get 5 things accomplished when I can, because if I just let everything fall to the wayside, these little cleaning motivation videos will just take me days, and I don't have time to do a get it all done. That's not how my life is set up. That's not how my kids is set up. I just can't get it all done in a day. And so I'm not gonna put that in my titles. I'm not just gonna make you guys believe that I'm over here doing the most, because I'm really not. I'm just trying to make it. And so I really want to just create this type of content for, it's just realistic. I mean, if you have kids, you just, sometimes things happen and you're not gonna be able to get it done. And you just have to realize that and move forward and plan for the next day and just keep these kids alive. So yeah, hopefully I'm giving you motivation that is keeping you on par with what's actually going on in your life and not making you feel overwhelmed or like you're less than any of these other moms that you see here on YouTube just running around like a chicken with a head cut off, because it's really not like that for me.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still
So I really want to make this bed, and that's the last thing I'm going to get accomplished in this room, but I really want to just refreshen it a bit, because I did lay down in this bed a couple nights ago because Logan is really teething, and she's not only has her 2 bottom teeth, but now she's got a tooth coming out in the top, and it has just been really giving her a fit. And sometimes she just wakes up in the middle of the night, and I don't want to take her out of this room, so I just lay down with her and put her back in the crib and go ahead about my business to my room and go back and lay down. But yeah, I just need to make it look presentable again, because it was just messy and it was causing me anxiety. So yeah, I just wanted to tidy up the bed. So it took me 21 minutes to get this room in tip-top shape, but that's only because Logan was in here, but Sugarfoot was on the phone doing a business call, so I just really had to keep her with me because she's all over the place, and it was just better for me to keep her. But moving on to my vents, I have 2. I have one upstairs and I have one downstairs, and I'm going to be changing out the filters today. So that was my second thing that I wanted to get accomplished on my top 5 to-do list for today. And I hope you guys are also taking the time to change your filter, especially if you are a homeowner. There's nobody that's going to do that for you, but if you live in an apartment, that is a luxury that you still have, that maybe the maintenance man is the one that's in charge of that, because that's how it was when we lived in an apartment. But he wasn't dusting the like little vent cover or anything like that, so that was always looking like trash. But I'm trying to be an adult and keep my things tidy, so make sure you are also changing your filters as well.
Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Moving on to Lucas's room, it's really not that bad. I'm just gonna freshen up his sheets as well. I am on the hunt for a different duvet cover. I really want to change up the look of his room. It's been this way since maybe I want to say maybe the last year and a half. If you've been here long enough, then you've seen the video where we put this bed together for his birthday when he turned 3. Yeah, this was his 3rd birthday present, toddler bed. But yeah, I'm just ready to revamp his room. So if you guys have any ideas for me, leave them down in the comments, because I really have no idea what I want to do, but I'm just not in love with this look anymore. This is Lucas's favorite book. I've been reading this book for like the last week and a half now. So if you research this book and you have the opportunity to get it, I would encourage you to do so, especially if you're pregnant or I don't know. It's just so cute, and I always change up the names so that they correlate with Logan and Lucas, because he just thinks that's so much fun. So yeah, look for this book. Here in my room, it is a disaster all the time. I wish that I had my own room, and you guys, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's just like always covered in kid clutter, and I just what is happening with my life? But I'm not complaining. I just wish I wasn't stepping on something every time I walk in my room, but I'm tidying it up. I just ordered a bunch of clothes from Carter's, because Logan got a gift card for Christmas, and I spent half of the money on her and half of the money on Lucas. So that's what I was taking off the bed. I was just looking at them because I have their Easter outfits in that order. But anyway, I'm just freshening up my bed, and then I'm going to move on to tidying up the floor. Moving on downstairs, I just really wanted you guys to get a close-up of this vent that's in my little kitchen area, and it's just covered in dust. I didn't get to show you the first vent, so I wanted you guys to see it now. So if yours look anything like mine, just vacuum it. It came off with a breeze. Like, I was a little bit concerned because of the condition of it. I thought it was like really gonna be thick and I was gonna need to take a hot rag to it or something, but I didn't. It all came off with the vacuum cleaner.
Waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run, and the sun would always shine. When we sat there, you and I.
It's so clean now that you can actually see the filter inside the vent, and I really wanted you guys to see that because I'm proud of myself and I wanted you guys to share in that sentiment. But moving on to the pantry, I have about 15 minutes to do the fourth thing on my list and the fifth thing, so we got our fingers crossed. We in this together, people. So I'm just getting everything off of the pantry floor because I just hate walking in there and feeling cluttered because I worked so hard on organizing it. And if you missed that pantry organization video, I'll have it linked in the cards for you guys for extra motivation if you have not tackled your own pantry yet. But yeah, I'm just getting everything off the floor, putting away some snacks, getting everything out of boxes and things of that nature. So yeah.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I just want y'all to know the only reason Lucas is helping me is because he thinks he's getting a brownie when he finished, and I must say I did give him that brownie. But yeah, I really enjoyed that he helped me because poor Logan might have got a little dizzy me bending down and picking those bottles up, but she was a cute little helper as well. Alright y'all, so I'm cutting it kind of close. I got like 5 minutes to spare. Leave it down in the comments how long you think it actually took me to clean this here powder room. It's the last thing on my to-do list for today in this power hour. But yeah, I did not get to deep clean it the way I normally would. If you've been here long enough, you know how I like to clean my bathroom. So this is just a really quick, let's just get this done because we need to move on with our day. But make sure you check out the video that I have linked in the description box for some more cleaning motivation. I just really want you guys to see this new rug that I got from HomeGoods. It was a 2-pack. It had a smaller rug as well, but anyway, I always get my bath mats and stuff from there if I don't find a cuter one from Target. But let's move on.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start.
Okay guys, so I'm only like 12 minutes past my power hour limit, but you guys know that I had a lot going on. This bathroom looks way better than it did when I first started. Yeah, it definitely smells better than it did when I first started. My toilet is now clean and sparkling and shining. Nothing is better than a clean toilet. My pantry is all clean and I'm not tripping over anything. I am feeling great about everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you are new here, because I am all about reaching my goals and I know that you would love to help your girl out. But anyway, like I said, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys on Friday in a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Show you